Hi. Today this is just an impromptu video. I wanted to talk to you guys. It's been a while. So in this video I'm going to talk about the books I've read last month and the books I'm going to read this month. So last month I read only one book, House Moving Castle. I've talked about it too much already, so I'm not going to talk about it today. And this month if I read two books, if I read only these two books, I'll consider myself, like I've done so much this month. So these two books are The Blade Itself by Joe Abercrombie and The Girl Who Drank the Moon by Kelly Barnhill. So these two are actually buddy read books. So I am kind of obligated to read all these books. So yeah, I'm halfway through The Blade Itself. Thankfully the audiobook is there, otherwise I don't know what I would have done, because the audiobook is helping me, slog through the book. It's not a bad book per se, but I'm in a reading slump. I am not in the mood to read anything right now. So I am not putting much pressure on myself. If I don't get to finish the book, it's okay. People will understand. They're nice people, they'll understand. So I am halfway through The Blade Itself and around 70 pages through The Girl Who Drank the Moon. So I'll quickly talk about what the books are about. The Blade Itself, it's in this fantasy, it's a fantasy, grimdark fantasy book, and it follows a number of characters and it's very character driven. Like, so far I can't tell where the story is going because it's just following the characters around and what they're doing and people around them, what those people are pushing them to do and stuff like that. So basically, a very character driven story. And I've heard that, you get to know about the plot, like you get to know what the plot is about right at the end of the first book. So yeah, I'm just, like, it's fun, it's so much fun. But yeah, because of the reading slump, it's difficult to go through the book. And the second book is The Girl Who Drank the Moon. So it's a fantasy middle grade story, and it's about this village which sacrifices a baby every year or every month, every year I think. And the witch, she's like, the villagers are like, the witch wants sacrifice and we shall we'll have to sacrifice a baby every specific period of time. I don't remember if it was months or years. Anyway, and the witch is like, why are these people abandoning their babies? Like, she's like, confused, like, why are these people, just leaving the baby in the forest, like, for no reason. And so what she does is that she feeds them starlight, and starlight has little bit of magic but not much. It's enough for the baby to, like, flourish and grow and all that. And she, takes them to different cities, and there they get into foster care or they get adopted by other people. So this time the witch, instead of starlight, she fed the child moonlight, and moonlight is full of magic. Like, it's coming from a nearby source. Like, compared to the stars are very distant, so it's coming from a nearby source, therefore it's full of magic. Like, it's like, common knowledge. So yeah, she feeds the girl moonlight and she becomes magical, and the witch decides to keep the baby, and the baby grows up and gets into shenanigans and whatnot. It's a very, very nice, heartwarming story, and it has the feel and, the tone of House Moving Castle, which I'm really enjoying. But for now I'm keeping it on hold because I want to first finish The Blade Itself, because there are a number of people who are participating in that buddy read. So yeah, I'll finish that first and then I'll come back to this book. So what other books I had? So I have this podcast where I talked about, the other books that I want to get to this month, and I don't know if I'll get to, read these books this month or not. So the other books are I was just literally like looking at my pile of books and deciding like which books I need to read. I mean, one was Ninth Rain. Um then there was The Lies of Locke Lamora, and something, I think, The Devil All the Time. Like these three books were there. I think so. But now I have, okay, so this month I have ordered two more books, like the sequels of The Theft of Swords. So I'm planning to read The Theft of Swords like this month. So yeah, four books. So the first priority will be The Blade itself and The Girl Who Drank the Moon, and then Theft of Swords, and then I'll see. Like, I know I'm not going to read so many books this month. I am in a reading slump. Be like, I need to be gentle on myself, self-care and stuff. So yeah. Okay. I will see you in the next one. Bye. You can see my fingers. Yeah. Bye.